Hiya, my name's Gail Penberthy and I'm here today to talk to you about my latest creations, wreaths. What a lovely way to decorate your home. And if we look to the bunny on this side of me, here with happy birthday on there, in the pattern you also get happy Easter. The beauty of these wreaths is that you can take the elements on and off, and then you can use them for all different times of the year. And if we look just to the other side of me, I have some baby wreaths, one for a baby boy, one for a baby girl, and if you're a little bit unsure and you'd like to make one for a newborn, then we have one with new baby. And then just as quick as this, you just whiz down and you've got that lovely fluted edge. So if you do have one of these at home, now's a good time to use it, or maybe it's something to put on your next shopping list. So when it comes to cutting the fabric, I advise you in the pattern of all the different sizes that you need to cut, but you don't really need to worry about the width, we just need to worry about the length.